Hey, thanks for stopping by Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and I'm assuming you're here to see this. And that's what we're cooking today. I'm going to show you how to do that. And if this is the first time you've been here, I love to cook outdoors. I cook on the flat top griddle, pellet grills, drum barrel, Weber, just about anything I can get my hands on. So let's get with it. Okay, so today we're cooking on the Blackstone. I do something I very rarely ever do. Obviously I do because I just did it. I turn my heat on before putting the bacon on. Usually when I cook my bacon, I lay the bacon down right when I start the griddle and just let it cook from there. I already started it, it's already warmed up. Let's get the bacon, the sausage ready, and we'll go from there. We're making biscuit breakfast tacos. Breakfast tacos with biscuits? I don't know. Biscuit. We're making tacos. But of course, before I get ahead of myself, let me show you all the ingredients we're using today. All right, for these biscuit taco breakfast tacos, I've got some eggs, some grand biscuits, 5 come in that little pan. I've got some sausage. That sausage is actually elk sausage because I went to the store to get some regular breakfast sausage, and you know, it's just a couple days after Thanksgiving and they did not have any. And then at the end, I'll probably put some of my hot sauce and green chili. But you can add whatever you want. We got bacon, sausage, egg, biscuits, green chili, hot sauce, and we're gonna make some biscuit tacos. Okay, first thing we got to do is get our bacon cooking. I'm just gonna do up. I just brought 7 strips out with me. We could probably cook up fairly fast. Bacon is done to my likeness. Not too crunchy, not too soggy. We're gonna move that over here to the cooler side of the grill. Keep it warm. Get rid of a little bit of this bacon grease because elk sausage and elk burger is usually not very fatty. So I am gonna use some of this bacon fat for the elk sausage. All right, now here's our elk sausage. I'm just going to get this down like that and start cooking it up. All right, this elk sausage looks like it's cooked all the way through, so we're going to move that over to the cooler side. Next thing we got to do is get some of that bacon grease back over in here. And the little giblets is fine. We're just going to scramble up some eggs. I already have salt and pepper in these eggs. That should be it for the eggs. I like them a little wet, not too wet, not too dry. Moving those over to the side as well. A little bit. Get a little bit of butter down here. Okay. I'm going to get a couple of our biscuits down, just like that. The taco holder over in here. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to smash these down as hard as we can. Okay, see how we did? That's pretty good. Let's get this other one smashed down. All right, that looks pretty good. Look at that. Now you may be asking, why am I smashing my biscuits? These are going to be our taco shells. Okay, look at there. Already browned up nice on the one side. I'm going to go ahead and smash them a little bit on this side. Okay. Some of that butter in there. All right, smashing them down helps them cook up a little faster. We don't want any raw dough, right? Well, no, I don't. That one didn't get quite as flat. That's all right. It's about the size of a tortilla, right? No, so you want to go a minute or two if you can, just to make sure, like I said, that they're cooked. And then when you're done, if you don't have one of these, well, fold them in half. So what I'm going to do now is get these over here, bend them, shape them like a taco. They are hot, just like that. Oh no, did you see that? Let me move it over here. Okay, so we'll set it on top. It is hot, but you want to get it down in there, formed like a tortilla, taco shell. All right, I'm gonna get the other three done and we'll be right back. All right, what do you think so far? If you're still here and you're still watching, I got 3 favors to ask. First one, hit that like button. It helps the channel get more views from YouTube because they look to see how many people like your video. And then, if you like what's going on so far, hit the subscribe and ring that bell so you're notified of the next cook. All right, let's get back into this. I'm just going to show these two. I just smashed the second two, and they've been sitting over here in the sunshine getting a little bit warmed up and soft. And so when I went to smash them, it went the whole circle of the Blackstone smasher. That. Yeah. Does that look good or what? Okay, we'll be back. Ah, you're not going to believe this. Could have sworn I hit play, put the egg in each one, the elk sausage in each one, I just took a little bite of it. Man, that's good. And then, here in New Mexico, green chilies. Most likely you won't have them unless you're in Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, some in parts of California has them. And I know Brian out in Oklahoma, he gets the canned kind. Brian definitely used the canned kind on these. If you haven't seen Brian at the Bearded Italian, go check out his channel. He's got some awesome cooks. And last but not least, well, it ain't going to be last yet. I'm going to do a taste test with this one right here. So I'm going to put some of my jalapeno hot sauce on there. You can put hot sauce if you want. You can put cheese. It's your taco. Make it however you want. All right, so we're going to top these off with a slice of bacon since these are breakfast tacos. Just like that. Get one more piece for this one right here. All right, and there you go. Let's do a taste test. All right, I can't believe I didn't hit that play button when I was assembling them, but hey, you know how to assemble a taco, right? Eggs, sausage, salsa, bacon in a biscuit tortilla shell. What do you think of that? Use the Grands, Pillsbury Grands biscuits, flat, smash them down. Now we're going to take a taste test of that for you. Oh my goodness. I just got a bite of that sausage, that elk sausage, so good. Regular sausage, fine. Be perfect in these. Okay? That is a biscuit tortilla shell. Got the bacon there. Show you the egg is in there. I could have used more egg. I only used 3 eggs for 5 biscuits. 4 eggs probably would have been perfect. So anyway, thanks for visiting and checking this out. Biscuit breakfast taco on the Blackstone Griddle. Oh, so good. You definitely got to give this a try. You get your biscuit, you get your egg, you get your sausage and bacon, whatever you like to put on top. You can put green onions, cheese, whatever you like. Make it your way. Just make it. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully come back and see us on the next video. And again, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, ring the bell so you're notified.